everybody, I'm back today and I'm finally going to be letting you guys know what my skincare routine is. I know that a lot of you were asking questions from the previous post that I put up showing you my before and after skin. After like I was pregnant, I had like a lot of hormones, so my skin was breaking out a lot, and I was like, okay, I need to really take care of this so that after this is all done, I don't have extreme scarring or anything like that going on. But I do know that a lot of people go through hormonal changes or just acne breakouts without being pregnant, and that's why I wanted to do this video on these simple items that I bought off Amazon that really helped transition my skin from looking like crap to looking very nice. So let's just get started. I want to share with you guys what I have here, what I've been using for the past like 2 to 3 months, and it's literally drastically changed my skin. Even when I walk around without makeup, a lot of people are like complimenting me on my glow or just the dewy look that's on my face, and it has a lot to do with these serums that I bought. I went on Amazon not really trying to look for anything too expensive, because we all know that skincare can get extremely expensive. We have eye creams that go for like $100, $200, $80. So I didn't really feel like I had that terrible of skin or that much aging in my skin. So I didn't feel the need to really go above and beyond and buy any of those. I just wanted to kind of get the basics in and understand what it is that we need, you know, for our skin to just recuperate and look healthier after having extreme breakouts, and just trying to get your skin to have as little acne scars as possible. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my routine, like doing my skincare routine in front of you guys. But before I get into that, I just wanted to really show you guys all the products that I use, because once I start doing my actual routine, I probably won't be talking much about the products. I'm just going to be going in and doing what I do to show you guys how I do it. The first thing that I do is I exfoliate my skin with a spinny brush, which you guys will see. A spinny brush that like spins on your face, and you can just wash it. And I use this face cleanser. This face cleanser is called First Aid Beauty. This is like #1 on Amazon, and I was wondering if it was really worth it. And this is definitely really worth it. It's a lightweight, very neutral face wash. It doesn't make your skin too oily, and it doesn't make your skin too dry either. So if you have combination skin, this is definitely a go-to. I'm so happy that I purchased this product. I have not been disappointed. It has antioxidant booster, it removes surface oil, makeup, dirt, and grime, and it's safe for sensitive skin. And I have sensitive skin since I have combination skin. I am very prone to breakouts no matter like what. If I'm not careful about the certain serums and oils and face washes that I put on my skin, my pH balance on my skin literally gets all crazy and starts making me break out everywhere. And unfortunately, when I break out, I start picking at my skin, and I often get left with acne scars. So I've been really trying to take it another way or try another routine so that I don't continuously have scarring on top of scarring. And I also want to like diminish some of the scarring that I already have from my teenage years. So this is a go-to. This with the spinny brush, 100% the best. I will be leaving links below on all the products that I'm getting, and I believe like everything all together in this is probably like less than $50, less than $70, something like that. But I will be leaving the links below. Another thing that I do use is this DERMA roller. This has changed my life because it's really scratchy, and I never knew that exfoliating with something with needles on it would have such a drastic change on my skin. It's changed the texture of my pores, and also the places where I was breaking out. It's stopped the breakouts. I don't really know if it has to do with your blood circulating when you're rolling this on your face, or the fact that the spikes on here really get on your skin and are able to like exfoliate it and, you know, do its thing. But this thing right here, it was a little painful and scratchy at first, but it has really changed my skin texture. So if you're someone who has weird textured skin, like it's like bumpy or rough in certain places, you definitely want to invest in a derma roller and use it like once a week in order to alleviate any of your bumpiness, skin roughness, dry skin, or even acne. Like that thing really, really works. And all you do is just like roll it on your skin and continue on. So that thing is awesome. And then I have my go-to 3 oils. These came in a pack on Amazon and I think it was only like 20 to 30 bucks. These oils or serums have literally changed my skin. And I'm the type of person who has literally tried everything on my skin. Like growing up, I definitely had combination skin and a lot of skin issues because I like to wear a lot of makeup. I was always like a makeup fanatic. And you know, growing up, you don't really know to wash your face after you're wearing makeup or how crucial it is. We didn't even have those spinny brushes when I was growing up. So everything was just like left in my pores and I was always breaking out and everything. I've tried like Noxzema, I've tried Neutrogena, I've tried organic stuff like putting lemons on my face, I've tried baking soda, I've tried coconut oil, like you name it, I have tried it. And a lot of the products from the drugstore have honestly left my skin pretty dry. Unless it's Neutrogena, everything else has left my skin really weird and dried up. And then anything else that was expensive, such as like Mary Kay, because I remember spending over $200 on a Mary Kay skincare package, and it honestly didn't do much for my skin at all. So there were times where one was like too strong and making it too dry, and then the other was basically like a total ripoff. I will never buy anything from Mary Kay ever again. I don't think I saw any type of results or anything like that. So I started to really look into what it is that we need to keep our pH balance in. Another thing is that we continuously need to apply moisture to our skin and moisture to our face. Even if you don't feel like your face is dry, you need to apply moisture to your skin and face to help you not get any wrinkles and also help your skin heal from the breakouts. So these are the 3 oils or serums that I invested in, and they were less than $30 and they have done everything that I need it to do. It does not break me out and literally gives me the most beautiful glow after I use all of these 3 combinations together. So I'm gonna leave the link below for this pack, but it's just a vitamin C serum. One of them is vitamin C. One of them is hyaluronic acid serum. This is a must. Vitamin C, hyaluronic acid serum, and retinol serum. These are the dream team for your skin. Like seriously, I was looking up that these are honestly some of the natural things that are in our skin. The retinol, it helps with skin elasticity. The vitamin C helps to diminish any of your dark marks, and so does the hyaluronic acid. So the dream team, these 3 serums are literally going to change your life, and it's very, very cost efficient. I would definitely recommend washing your face every day with all of this stuff, but only doing the Derma roller once a week, of course, and doing another exfoliant maybe once a week, but applying these serums every day. If you have breakouts, if you're trying to get rid of your dark marks, if you have some sort of wrinkles and you're trying to backtrack and kind of take away those wrinkles or not continuously get new wrinkles, these are definitely something you need in your life. So I just wanted to share my before and after skincare journey and let you guys know that, you know, you don't have to buy a $100 cream. You don't have to buy a $90 cream. You don't have to waste a lot of money to get your skincare right. It just depends on the quality of the product and doing your research. So these are all really, really simple and natural oils, and they work just fine applying them to your skin. Whereas if you get like some sort of face cream or something, they might only put like 2% of the retinol serum in it. And what else is the rest? That's probably why it's not working. That's probably why it's not like penetrating your skin. So I'd rather just get the 100% oil and just apply it to my skin and see the results. But those 3 don't break you out, they don't clog your pores, and they literally leave you with such a fine, glossy shine to your face. So I just wanted to share that with you guys because I said that I would. You guys see my before and after, so these are like legitimate real results. This is not no dang ad. This is not me trying to sell anything. These are just things that I literally bought off Amazon that I wanted to share with you guys, because I know skincare journey can get real. And if your skin starts breaking out like a lot, it just forms like certain insecurities in you where you just literally don't want to leave the house without makeup. And nobody should really feel like that, because there's ways around it, like seriously. So that's my skincare journey and that's my skincare routine. And I hope that this video was helpful, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.